Temperature was 71 degrees, the dew point 59, and the relative...
Welcome back. This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm continuing my series on showing you emergency radios because unfortunately the weather is going to get active here soon. Hurricane season is just around the corner. But even now, weather all over the world is unbelievably bad. Hurricanes, earthquakes, floods, lots of flooding. Oh my gosh, especially in the middle part of the United States. So you need to get an emergency radio. And this is a fantastic little emergency radio. This was sent to me by Prunus. It's a model J-924W. I have put it in my Amazon store, the link to which is in the description below each of my videos. I get a small commission if you use that link and either buy this radio or anything, even birdseed, when you use that link. Appreciate that. I don't seem to be having any sales lately, so I'd appreciate it if you would. If you need anything, birdseed, use that link and then go to my store and then go to regular Amazon. Now note, my store is just a web page on Amazon. You're dealing entirely with Amazon. I don't have any merchandise to sell. It's Amazon. So much for the commercial. Moving on. All right, it comes with a charging cord, user's manual, which goes in detail of all the functions. It has AM, FM, shortwave, weather band. It's a Bluetooth speaker. It has multiple ways of charging. It's got a solar panel right here. I personally don't give much credit to these little solar panels. They work, but they're so small. They can't give you much charging power. It takes a long time to charge. Oh, it even comes with a little compass and a carrying strap, which is adjustable, or you can remove it. Telescopic antenna is about 18 inches for FM in shortwave and weather band. Has crank charging. And here you can add 3 AAA batteries. Plus, this is the beauty of this thing, is the built-in rechargeable battery is 10,000 milliamp hours. 10,000 milliamp hours. That's going to last a while. Therefore, it's a little bit heavy with that big battery pack. It has 2 lights, flashlight here, and a reading lamp there. Very bright reading lamp. Over here we have, under this cover, to keep it from getting moisture or water, we have TF card. It's a TF card player. We have charging port, and it can be used as a power pack, 10,000 milliamp hours, to charge, say, your cell phone. Use this little button right here to turn on the light. Like that. Very bright. Very bright. Turn that off. And then this is the button, which I won't push, if you need to send a SOS alarm. So in case you're buried in rubble or something, you got your emergency radio and you want to help, you want to get help. So you push that button and it shoots a loud, really loud siren so people can find you. All right, let's turn it on. Enough babbling. Oh, the controls. Power, volume up and down, tune up and down. You can push either one of these and hold it, and it will seek the next strongest signal. Or down here you have scan. That's ATS, automatic tuning and storing. Over here you can change the mode or show the time, or push and hold and change the time. Mode means radio mode, Bluetooth mode, or MP3 player. This is the band switching, AM, FM, weather band, shortwave, or turn on the NOAA weather alert function. So if you got storms coming and you want to be alarmed when they're imminent around you and NOAA sends out these alarms, turn that on. Memory up and down, minus and plus. That's about it. I said I was going to turn on. Let me turn it on.
Radio mode.
Radio mode. And I get the volume down.
For the following marine location, coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon.
So I can do a scan.
60 nautical miles.
Push and hold. Oh, I turned the alarm on. Okay, I guess I can't do a scan. Okay, which is tune?
South 5 to 10
There's one.
feet, occasionally to
Okay, we're getting one.
wave detail.
Turn the,
southeast
move the
40
antenna
20
up.
seconds. Tonight, north winds, inland waters.
Two.
Chop.
And a week. So that's normally what I can get.
Monday, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20.
Normally at my location I can get I'll call it 2.5 of the 7 NOAA channels that are available. Even with an outside antenna, that's the best I can do. So this radio does that. The half one was kind of weak, pretty weak, as you heard. All right, let's try one of the other bands. We'll change bands here. There's that little music. Okay, there's the medium wave band. Can do a scan. ATS. Those doing an ATS. There are 1, 2, 3, and it probably wants me to face it this way. I'll turn it back once it's finished. It's up to 9, 10. Almost done. 16, 17, 18, 19, 19. Found 19 signals. We can go through them now. Turn the volume up a little bit. Try to stay off music. Yeah, that one's kind of weak. Yeah, it likes this way. Stations are that direction. Ooh, that's music. Oh, go away, music.
Trump's former national security advisor. Powder. So, guy director.
Picked up a lot of stations. Even one had it pointed the wrong direction. That one's weak. Okay, so it's struggling a little bit on medium wave. Until I get to music and then it blasts it. Alrighty. Turn that down. And like I say, when I did the scan, I should have had it facing like that because the stations are that way. Alright, FM, it doesn't matter. We can go to FM band. That's shortwave. That's weather band. That's FM. We'll do a scan. I'm going to turn the volume all the way down because we don't want to hear any music. And I'll say scan. And I'll just set it down. Whoops, I guess I didn't. There we go. Very bright display. I can read this across the room. There it goes, up to 8 already. I think I'm going to do some testing on the shortwave band on a radio like this one that's got a short telescopic antenna and show you the difference between using the internal telescopic antenna and adding a long wire. adding about a 20-foot long wire and show you how much different it is. Well, we had one day, I think it was yesterday, that the shortwave band conditions were pretty good. Okay, it's finished. Got to stay away from music, so I'm going to have to push this button pretty rapidly. Turn the volume up. Yep.
13.
Florida.
Yep. Did a good job. Picked up a lot of music.
It's a multi-town.
of human studies.
From the first time.
There's 20,
Podcast
21.
tired.
Yeah, is
30,
Where we want to go. And in
38, 40, 43, 43. It found 43 locations. Now, I have a listing of the possible FM stations within 20 miles of me, and the number is 43. So, did a great job there. Like I say, that power that thing's got makes it quite heavy. It weighs 1.3 pounds. That's what's listed. It's on sale right now for $24.99. That's 17% off. Again, I put it in my Amazon store. The link to my store is in the description below each of my videos. Size, it's about 7 inches by 3 inches by about 4 inches, approximately. That's about it. I want to thank Prunus for sending me this radio so I could show it to you. And again, let me emphasize, it's time to get you an emergency radio. Get one. This is a nice one. On sale right now, $24.99. All those features, all those bands, 2 lights, compass, carrying strap, all those goodies for that price. You need to get one. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. Please give me a thumbs up. That tells Amazon I'm showing you videos that you're interested in, not wasting your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.